It's the Costco versus Sam's Club face-off.
Who has the best pizza? Pretty good.
Let's find out. First up, the price. Both stores under $10. Sam's Club does not require a membership for their food court, but at Costco,
Here you definitely have to have a membership.
at Sam's Club, you'll find 4 different options, while at Costco, just 2,
The Costco pizza is a lot larger.
giving you 2 more slices.
They are completely different pizzas.
But how does it taste? Up first, Sam's Club.
More bland, I would say.
The crust is harder to chew. It is more firm, like it's easier to hold up. The crust is good.
Tastes similar, but the texture is just different.
Costco's the one for you if you're into this style of pizza.
It's a little hard to hold this way.
So to me, it looks more appetizing.
A little greasy on the crust. I like the sauce on this one. Costco for flavor-wise.
Final answer?
Costco.
What did Scooter think?
Both good. I'll have either one. Where's the beer?
What do you think?
Costco's better.
Which one goes better with chewing gum?